Welcome back, everyone. So today, we're covering the snowmobiles after like 3 weeks. I haven't had time to come back here and then check on them because it's just been snowstorms and everything. Dude, you're not prepared for this. It's gonna be freaking torture. Yeah.
Like how deep?
Like almost to the top of that mountain. I've only been on this. Okay. Well, it looks like it's already on, so put the kill switch on. Oh my gosh. Let me pause this. Okay. I heard it purr, so I just got it running after like 2 weeks. It sounded pretty good. It's like a Russian on that thing, you know? Get this is like first time. It's my turn on the old 670. Let's get it. I think that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more. Oh man. Really, bro? Way to ruin my outro.